Okay, so this program will show you how to read a file and process the data within that file and then output your results into another text file. So we have class and main here, and we'll start by importing the file package. So import java.io file. And we need this exception package too, in case the file isn't found. So file not found exception. And import java.io print writer. So this allows you to output something, and import java.util.scanner allows you to collect user input. And what we want to do here in the main function is actually throw an exception, throws file not found exception in case it doesn't find a file. So actually that should be just file not found. All right, so first we'll prompt user. So we'll prompt them for the input and the output file names. So we'll do scanner console equals new scanner system.in. Okay, and we'll just do print input file. Okay. And we'll store that here. String input file name equals console.next. And then we can do the same thing for output. So we'll ask for the output file and do output file name equals console.next. All right, now what we want to do is construct the scanner and print writer objects for reading and writing. So we'll do file input file equals new file input file name. Okay, so the input file is what the user inputted, and scanner in equals new scanner input file. And now for the output, print writer out equals new print writer output file name. Okay, so now what we want to do is actually read the input, right? So read input and write output. So we'll make a variable here. For this program, it's going to be very simple, just adding numbers and then, adding numbers and then outputting the result in the output file. So double total equals 0. And while in has next double, so as long as the user continues to enter numbers, double value equals in dot next double. And we can do out print a formatted string and 15.2f. Okay, so this will give it some spacing and print each number on a new line, and then the value. Okay, and then total equals total plus value. All right, so that'll just keep a running total of the numbers. And then at the end, we'll print out the total. Out.printf total is, okay, it's another formatted string. It'll be on a new line. And print that there. Okay, and now this is very important. You need to close the scanner or print writer after you use these, after you finish processing a file. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and run that. So input file, I'm using a text file just called input.txt, And for output, we'll just do output.txt. Okay, now it says it worked, and I can open my file here. So for the input, is really straightforward. I just had 5, 10, 15, 20. And for the output, you can see here it gave it some spacing, so it was a formatted string, and put each number on a new line, and printed it as a double with just 2 decimal places, and printed the total. So looks like it worked. Everything you need is here in the output.txt file.